on Santa's lap?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Gosh, here we are.
Say hi, Santa.
Hi, Liam.
Come here.
Oh, Santa.
Oh,
I've been waiting all year for this.
I'm sure you have. Sit right here.
Oh my God, I'm gonna bust your knee.
Oh, no, you won't.
Santa,
We hug now.
Whoa, is that a candy cane in your pocket or?
What would you like for Christmas, son?
I'd like a new hat this year, if
new-
that's possible.
A new hat.
Yeah.
You're a pretty simple man, aren't you, Jordan?
Yup.
What would you like for Christmas?
Nothing. There's nothing I need, man. Give my gift to somebody else who doesn't get a gift normally.
I'd like my good friend Nathan to find a nice girl and settle down.
Okay.
All I want is one little thing.
Okay.
Just one of them. A Bitcoin.
Hopefully once he gets that Bitcoin from me.
Wow.
Yes. I told him I would do my
Well,
best.
okay, I'll take a Bitcoin also.
You'll take a Bitcoin?
Yeah, I'll take one Bitcoin.
Well, word on the street is Bitcoin's the hot one this year.
Anything for you? He'll take a Bitcoin.
Sure.
Yeah, we'll put it right in the old college fund.
Possibly make you a Bitcoin.
Me a-
Yeah, not buy you one, but I'll make you one. It'll look just the same.
All right.
Maybe you should have a few more cookies this year.
Yeah, it's a little bony, isn't it?
It's a little bony and feeling a little scrawny.
Can I sell you some Bitcoin?
You have Bitcoin? Yes, you're starting to hurt my knee.
Good.
What is the price?
The price right now is around like 19 grand, and I have like 4 of them in stock right now. So can I sell them to you, please?
Oh, okay. This is the holiday season. You give discounts to Santa.
I want a new video wall.
Oh, do you?
Absolutely.
That is a wonderful gift. I'm sure we can probably work something out.
Well, Santa, I know you're expecting me to tell you what I'd like for Christmas, but a bunch of the fellows and I decided we'd pitch in and get you something for Christmas.
Santa.
It's a plush puffin. Merry Christmas.
I'd like to hang around with Joel a little more often.
Really? Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Sarge, thank you.
No,
thank you
no,
so
no,
much.
thank you.
No, thank you.
Nuh-uh.
How's your leg feel?
Oh, that's bony. Holy crap. Don't even
Thank
know.
you.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
No. Anything
Is
else?
this even real? You're not Santa.
I am.
You have a Merry Christmas, Santa
Next year,
Claus.
Santa's gonna sit on your lap.
I bet you will. All right.
Say bye-bye, Santa.
Bye-bye, Leo.
Say bye-bye. Come on, buddy. Oh, jeez. Come here. Hey. Oh, and there he goes.
I mean, if you wanted to give me some nice wool socks or
I want a
some
new
gloves, I
video
guess I can do
wall.
that. But one Bitcoin.
Okay, I'll take a Bitcoin also.
You give me just
I'll
one.
take one Bitcoin.
I'm glad you're gonna reach deep into your pockets for that.
I hope so.
I don't remember anything. I got it. Of course.